So claiming the person to be the position, or the position to be the person, or believing the person to be the position, is already just simply this. And it's already positionless. Yet all positions, or the absence of positions, are just simply this. So suggesting that the person is the position, or the position is the person, is already positionless thisness. There is not something which can have a position or no position already. Yet that is just another position, which is positionless thisness already. The claim that it is that there is a position or no position has already no position. Yet all positions are this. And there's nothing wrong with claiming that the person is the position, or the position is the person. It's already just simply this. It's already whatever seems to be happening or is believed to be happening. And this itself has no position. There's just positionless thisness. There's not a thing which can have a position in this. There's no in this, nor out this, nor a this already. Just simply words, beliefs, suggestions, claims, statements, thoughts, stories, innocently swirling around without a position.